Before you buy a Smartsheet course, book a coaching call, or hire a Smartsheet consultant to help you with your work, stop. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 things you need to look for before you go down any one of these 3 paths. It will save you hours of frustration, thousands of dollars saved, and your solution should be built the correct way. Let's dive in. If you're like, Justin, I'm not sure if I need a course, coaching, or consulting, well, have no fear. I actually created a form just for you. Just click on the bio below and it's yours. Fill out this form and it will give you the answer if courses is the best option, group coaching, or Smartsheet consulting. Just click on the link below and it's yours. In my Smartsheet journey back in 2018, I wish I had a guide. I spent months stumbling my way through the Smartsheet solution, first trying to learn how to use the tool, and then even more importantly, how to use it to build out the solution that my company was relying on me for. I needed a guide. It's like Yoda and Luke Skywalker. Luke Skywalker didn't know who he was, what the Force even was, let alone how to use it. But Yoda showed him the way. He saved Skywalker hours of frustration, years of wasted time, to show him his true purpose. Think of it like a Smartsheet course. Or Mr. Miyagi being the coach for the Karate Kid. The Karate Kid kept getting beat up, kept getting frustrated, kicked to the curb, and Mr. Miyagi taught him not only how to take care of himself physically, but how to make it all the way to the championship round and win. He needed a Mr. Miyagi. Think of this like a Smartsheet group coaching. And last but not least, we have Frodo and Gandalf. Frodo had this immense travel and journey that he had to go on, and no doubt almost cost him his life. And it was this huge uphill battle that was way too difficult for any one man to carry on, but yet that was his burden to carry. The only way he was successful in making that trip was Gandalf, the wizard. He gave him valuable information, showed him the direction that he needed to go, and ultimately led to Frodo's success. Think of it like consulting. Here's the bottom line. Every hero had a guide, and every success story has a support. If you want to level up your game in Smartsheet, you need a guide to come alongside you, whether that's group coaching, whether that's consulting, or a Smartsheet course. Now, one thing I want to bring to your attention, whether you go through me or any other Smartsheet guide, is you want to ask some very important questions about this guide that's leading you. Again, whether that's courses, coaching, or consulting. First off, are they Smartsheet certified? Yes, there is certification through Smartsheet. For instance, there's Solution Professional, Solution Consultant, and Solution Architect. That's the highest level in the solution certification realm of Smartsheet. Personally, I have Solution Architect, and I know many other people who have Solution Architect as well. There are very few in this world, but the few that do have it, a lot of them it's a very close-knit network. We know each other. Make sure that the person you're getting guidance from is actually certified in the product they're trying to teach you about. The second point is their track record. They can talk their game all they want, but can they show it? Have they had successful implementation, successful solutions that they've built in Smartsheet? Point number 3, are they asking all the right questions? Are they thinking about you or just trying to get this product out the door? Are they asking questions like scalability, looking around corners, making sure that the solution they build for you or teach you on how to use and teach you how to build is actually going to last 2, 3, 4 years from now? Point number 4, do they know the limitations of Smartsheet? A lot of people don't. What's the max number of rows, max number of columns, max number of cell references? Do they know the limitations of Smartsheet? And on the flip side, do they truly know all what Smartsheet can do as a tool? And the last point, it's important that you pick someone that you actually enjoy listening to, someone that you vibe with, someone that you get, someone that's not boring or annoying to listen to, even if they do have all the certifications. All right, I got 3 main points I want you to consider, and then we'll close out for the day. Point number one, you need to know your learning style. If you're not in a rush right now to learn Smartsheet and you want to go at your own pace, then a Smartsheet course is your best option. I offer that. It's called Smartsheet Made Simple. If you need someone to hold you accountable and someone to ask you in real-time questions and for you to ask them questions in real time, then group coaching is the best fit for you. I also offer that. And last but not least, if time is of the essence and you're like, you know what, I have to get this solution out the door. I don't have time to learn the tool in depth. I just need this thing built and built the right way the first time and completed. You're under a deadline. Then Smartsheet Consulting will be your best bet. And yes, I have a place for you. The second main point here is time versus money. A course would be your best option if you need something that's very budget friendly and you're not in a rush. If you want to do group coaching, it is going to require a little bit more investment, but you will have an accelerated growth and someone with you live teaching you step by step as you learn the solution and the product. Consulting will be your highest investment, but this is because you want something built at the highest quality possible and in the quickest time possible. The last main point is know your timeline goal. Now, if you're not in a rush to learn Smartsheet, you're not under any time crunch for building out a task or solution within the tool, then a course is your best fit. If you need someone to hold you accountable, as I mentioned before, and you need to get something out the door within a matter of weeks, not a matter of months, then I would suggest group coaching. And last but not least, as I mentioned before, if you need something out the door and it's a massive solution that's just too complex for you or just one person building out, then Smartsheet Consulting is the best direction for you. And after going through this, if you're still not sure if Smartsheet courses, group coaching, or consulting is the best fit for you, that's why I created the form for you. Just click on the link below and it's yours. When you fill it out, based on the questions that you submit or the answers that you submit to the questions, you will get an automated response within just 30 to 60 seconds back to your email, letting you know what's the best fit for you. And yes, I offer all three of these: Smartsheet courses, group coaching, and consulting. As always, take care and God bless.